The Polaris audio roof can affect vehicle handling due to added weight mounted to the top of the vehicle. Take extra precautions such as slower speeds, increased stopping distance, and care taken on inclines when driving with added accessory weight. Failure to observe these precautions may result in vehicle rollover, injury, or death. To install the DSP module on your RZR Pro XP or RZR Turbo R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Begin by removing any existing roof accessories. Next, if not already installed, install the dual battery kit. Begin by removing the driver's seat. Pull up on lever, tilt seat forward, and pull back slightly to disengage. Then lift seat up and remove. Next, loosen the negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Disconnect the battery cable from both batteries. If the vehicle is equipped with factory-installed Rockford Fosgate audio controlled by Ride Command or PMX P2 in-dash head unit, start by removing the two hood fasteners. Then move hood towards rear of vehicle to remove. Remove two top dashboard fasteners from the front of the vehicle. Next, carefully pull up to remove left, center, and right dashboard trim pieces. Release the steering tilt lock for improved access. Also, opening the glove box will aid in removal. Next, open the glove box lid and remove the 4 dashboard fasteners around the glove box opening. Support glove box from underneath when removing fasteners. Then, remove and keep the 3 front dashboard fasteners around the glove box opening. Now, tilt the steering wheel down and remove the 4 dashboard fasteners surrounding the steering wheel. Locate the cover at the base of the driver's side A-pillar. Pull cover and speaker up the A-pillar to access the hole at the base of the A-pillar. Next, carefully lift the edge of the front hood panels to release the tabs from the dashboard. Then, carefully keep panels up and away from tabs and remove dashboard top by tilting rear section up and pulling out toward the rear. Then, route the harness to the amplifier in front of the Ride Command head unit. Next, install Ride Command adapter harness module on firewall in front of steering wheel and screw in the 4 screws. Torque to specification. Now disconnect existing connector from amplifier. Install connector of harness to amplifier. Connect connector to existing connector that was removed from the amplifier. Next, remove plug from the 4-pin connector. Then install plug to the connector of the harness. For vehicles with Ride Command, you can now put the dashboard back together by carefully lifting panels up and away from tabs and install dashboard top into place by tilting rear section up and installing front section first. Then lower the rear section into place. Next, make sure the tabs on the panel are aligned in the slots on the dashboard top. Then install the 4 retained screws through the dashboard top and torque to specification. Next, install the front of the dashboard with 3 retained dashboard fasteners. Torque to specification. Open the glove box lid and reinstall the storage compartment with 4 retained dashboard fasteners around the glove box opening. Torque to specification. Then, install retain left, center, and right dashboard trim pieces. Now, push the A-pillar boot cover back into proper location. Lubricant can be used in aid of seating covers into the panel. Then, reinstall the 2 retained front dashboard fasteners into the front edge of the top of the dashboard. Torque to specification. Finally, reinstall the hood panel with the 2 retained fasteners and torque to specification. Now that the DSP module is installed, refer to the audio roof kit installation video for next steps. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.